In today's video, I want to show you outdoor camping hammock, which you can pretty much attach in between two trees and then sleep in it. And the big advantage of a camping hammock is that you don't have to sleep on the ground, or you don't lie on the ground at night, and then the cold cannot came to you to the ground, and yeah, that's the main advantage of a hammock. So we have a hammock here and some tree belts, which you can also find in our shop. And that's the tarp, so when it's raining you can put it over your camping hammock, and so you are safe from rain and let it be mosquitoes or something like that. Yeah, and this is what I want to show you in today's video, how you can set up the hammock and attach it to the trees and stuff like that. And I hope I have chosen the right trees and the correct distance between each tree, but we have to test it, otherwise we have to choose another tree, and we are in the forest here, so we have enough trees here in the forest. Okay, then let's roll the intro and then start. Okay, now I show you what's inside the package. Cooper. That are the tree belts you can get in our shop. I will link the products in the description down below. You can click on it, and then you'll be redirected to our shop, and you can find all the good stuff here. And yeah, that is the hammock. It's really small, and you can take it with you. You can put it in your backpack, or you can carry it in your hand, and it's really small and lightweight. Okay, something like this. And the back is attached to the hammock, so you cannot lose it. You can see it's enough space for one person, so you can one person can sleep into the hammock, and let's attach it to the tree. Okay, of course we have to change our trees where we want to mount this hammock, because the trees were too big, and the distance between each tree was too wide. So I think we have found the right spot. Yeah, and that is where you have to be a little bit careful, or you have to measure it first and in your backyard, and then you can have a feeling for the trees that you are searching for. Okay, let's attach our tree belts to the tree. It's really straightforward. Put it on there, and maybe it's better if you put it a little bit higher. And also you can attach the width or the size of this tree belt. It's better when you put it a little bit higher on the tree. Okay, and then we take the other side, attach it to this tree. Make it as high as possible. Okay, and then you have to put the hammock here. Be sure to have the correct positioning. Then the other side. think that's a little bit too high. So you have to jump really high in case you want to get into the hammock. Okay. And here you have a mosquito net inside, and this mosquito net, I show you how to attach this to the tree as well. Okay, then we have to attach the mosquito net to the tree on each side. I think that's not long enough. You can put it in here as well. So, like this. On the other side. Like this. And you have a second one. On the other side, the same procedure. Okay, and yeah, the next step is you will get these military camouflage tarp from us when you order the hammock. And yeah, it's really simple. There are two belts inside, of course, and you fix it, put it a little bit higher than the tarp belts, the tree belts are, and put it on each side so the tarp goes over the hammock, and then you strap it down to the ground, so it's like you know what I mean. It's like the roof of a house, and rain doesn't come to you. And yeah, I don't do it now because I'm a little bit out of time, but I think you can imagine. I put a picture of it on the screen. I hope it works, and so you can see what I mean, but I think you know what I mean. And yeah, of course, this tent you find in our online shop, campershop.com, and I already or I will put the link in the description down below, and so you can check it out. And yeah, you can yeah, get these tree belts as well from us. And yeah, that's it. Then thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you like it, and maybe you can give us a like or not and subscribe maybe. And yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.